Olunaku olwaleero organizing with my team tugenda kuddiza ab'e Kawempe. Tuli giving back to the Kawempe community. Tuli creating a smiles ku baana era as you will be seeing some videos tugenda kubanga tubagabira ebintu tugenda banga tubawe emmere. We're just giving back to our community twagala tubere recognized mu kifo kya Kawempe ng'abantu abaddiza so that they can support us. We are abantu abasinga mu festive season abamu baba tebafuna mukisa you know, they don't have the same meals kati fe twagala creating that smile yomu abeereko kyafuna. Hotel eyo badde nagistoppingamu because as you saw nali nkyasoma. I was at Makerere University. So when I didn't nsoma nga bizibu okwasaganya so nesoka nembi stoppingamu, but right now as you can see I'm back. Naye jakomao because it's okay to have two brands. Kati leero tuli ku brand Jealous Cafe nga bwe bagambe engombo nti you can't start with the outsiders before you start with your family. So we are starting with our family, with our neighbors Kawempe, because we are in Kawempe. Mudra brand indala ne Ava brand indala. I don't think nga chiche twakola. Yes. Really? Olimba. Like our lava boy. Nayenze mwagala nnyo by the way, and I say that everywhere. I'm not scared to appreciate the person that made me. And rakuwa kale mukama yachikola, but like mukama yaita muliye. So sobola kuswala kumwebaza, sobola kuswala gamba nti simwagala nti no yengo omuntu. Mwagala nnyo. But professionally ngwa my brother omanyi mmwe muli balala yeah, but but me and Mudra, we are very good friends. We are best friends. 2024, I've already released 3 projects. It's gonna be a good year, trust me. I have 3 projects already. They are moving. I'll be releasing videos very soon. Yeah, so 2024, just wait for it. It's gonna be fire, trust me. We abantu mweno community ya Kawempe tebaita omukwano batya tugenda bagabira ebintu bingi era Ave Peace nga byabagambye bambi yasazeewo n'agamba katukwatagane tusanyuse abantu.